Yeah, 2020 the world stood still, but we kept moving. Locks in the mix. This is for the squad, the ones they counted out.
The gates were closed, the saintly streets were silent. COVID hit the world, yeah, the times were violent. Losing every job, sitting in the house heat, searching for a rhythm, searching for a heartbeat. The youth were restless, looking for a way out. No more silver spoons, we took a different route. Back to the soil, back to the roots. Swaka off his shoes for some farming boots. Oh, Ybotha, we don't care what they say. We're building up the kingdom in a brand new way. We're loving our hearts and dirt on our hands, helping the widows. We're taking a stand. Ybotha vibe. From the farm to the street, let the world see the glow. Ybotha vibes. Watch the movement grow. Yeah, they look down on us, call this nothing much. But they didn't see the spirit, didn't feel the touch of a community rising, working as one, living in the rain, harvesting in the sun. We saw the wheels, we saw the poor, we didn't just watch, we opened the door. That Cakacakavata, that love is divine, taking the leap to the great beyond. Yeah, look, the haters start trying to bring the vision down, but you can't in the light when we're wearing the crown of the soil and the sweat. Yeah, the grind is legit, man. Ybotha vibe. Na bula bula goda bula gosa bula gadi osota bakabe buya nave buduki so bube nave kimai osoki kobaki liu potale na laibuti. From a lockdown struggle to a digital leap, we sowed in the tears. Now the harvest we reap. Ybotha squad. Yeah, we move with the pace. Ignore the critics. We're winning